Welcome to another video. In this one I show you a noise that my car is making. Okay, so this is the noise when it starts up. Car is running and I drive it a little bit. And there is a belt or like a pulley. Can you hear that? That's crazy. It's really loud sometimes. And this thing, I don't think it's the belt. I have to make it lower. I think it's that pulley in there. I remember some time ago I had this noise and I sprayed a bit of WD-40 in there and it went away. And also in the tensioner on top, the one above it, it's the belt tensioner. I didn't try to put WD-40 yet or any grease. I don't want to open it. It's a hassle to open that thing. Those bolts are very difficult to get out, and it's more likely the bolt will get rounded out, and then it's really difficult to get the thing out. This is the noise. Sometimes it goes away by itself. Sometimes it stays a long time. Sometimes it changes. Listen. It's so funny. As soon as I slammed the hood on the car, the noise stopped. So it's not the belt. I don't believe it's the belt. The pulley seems to be spinning. I listen to the sound when I rev the car up. I'm gonna take the car for a small short drive and you will see the noise is almost gone, but it's really sometimes it keeps going. I don't think it's something very serious. It's just that pulley, the bearing in it might be going bad. I might have to replace the whole pulley or I might try to spray a bit of grease. WD-40 is not really greasing this pulley, so that's why it's not such a great idea, but it worked before. Let me know in the comment section below what you think it's doing this noise and how to fix it. I believe I will put a bit of grease there, and then if it doesn't fix it, I will put a bit of WD-40, avoiding to get any grease or WD-40 on the actual belt. That's for sure. That's gonna be a bit difficult. Well, I'll spray in the middle of the pulley, and I will let you know in the comments below how it went. Sometimes it's there for a while and then it goes away for a whole year maybe. And only once or twice it happened before, and then it went away. And I will let you listen to the car while it's driving on normal city roads and even on the motorway, on the highway later. So watch the video to hear the noises. If your car is making similar noises, it might be the belt that is going bad or one of the pulleys, hopefully not a alternator pulley or air conditioning pulley. But hopefully it's just a tensioner or this simple, it's just a wheel there to keep the tension on the belt. Thanks for watching and keep watching the video for the noises. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. Let me know in the comments below why you think it's happening like this. What's this noise? Bye.